Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking loaded nachos. They're delicious and so easy to make. You've no excuse not to try this recipe at home. So let's get cooking. Beans are an edible seed. Beans are rich in protein. They help with our muscle mass. They're also rich in fiber, which helps our digestive system. They also fight off harmful diseases. Beans contain iron, not iron the metal. Iron is a mineral. It's essential for helping our red blood cells transport oxygen through our body.
Miss G say what?
Iron has many benefits for our body. It helps our immune system, which fights off harmful bacteria. It also regulates our blood temperature and helps our athletic performance. Avocado is a fruit. It was originally called an alligator pear. The skin of the avocado is toxic to cats and dogs. Avocado is high in potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. An avocado has more potassium in it than a banana. Potassium gives us lots of energy. Archaeologists found peas that carbon dated back to 9750 BC in Thailand.
What?
There is also evidence that suggests that native people of Mexico and Peru have been cultivating beans as far back as 7000 BC. When the first colonists arrived to the New World, which is America, Native Americans taught them how to grow the bean crop from corn.
Sounds interesting.
Whoa, Miss G, what is a colonist?
A colony is a group of people from one country who builds a settlement in another territory or land. They claim this territory as their own and taken complete control of this colony. The practice of setting up different colonies in different countries is called colonialism.
What?
Actually happened?
For example, in 1492, Christopher Columbus travelled to America and named it the New World. Soon, Spanish conquestadors and other European countries such as France, England, the Netherlands, Portugal stayed in this land. Different European countries took over different territories. They fought each other over who deserved what land. The natives of these countries, many of them died. Those that did survive lost their language and had to learn those of the colonists. That's why countries like Cuba speak Spanish, as they were colonized by Spain. Egyptian tombs of kings. They were left as food for the departed and their souls in the afterlife.
Oh, wow. Wow. Wow.
The largest recorded avocado weighed 5 pounds or 2.30 kilograms.
What?
That's the equivalent weight to 2 Darth Vader masks or 77 king chess pieces or 1 billion grains of sand.
Miss G say what?
The conquestadors discovered that the avocado seed can be used for ink.
What?
Yes, it's true. They discovered that the avocado seed produces a milky liquid that turns red when exposed to air. Some of the documents that use this ink are still preserved today.
Excuse me?
Avocado is filled with vitamin B. It's known as the best food to relieve stress. The Aztecs believed that the avocado was a symbol of love and fertility, as they could only grow in pairs.
Sounds interesting.
Unlike many plants, avocado trees do not self-pollinate. They need another avocado tree to be planted close by them in order for them to grow.
Wow.
today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed cooking today, and I especially hope you enjoyed eating those loaded nachos. They're so tasty. Ooh. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly videos where we cook delicious recipes together and I educate you guys at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more of
To the
this.
messy kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy